Hi, Miss Jonilyn. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Junilin Picaro. I'm 32 years old, Johnsonville, Philippines, and married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have four children, 12 years old, 11, 7 years old, and 3 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother.
How many siblings do you have?
I have four siblings, one brother, three sisters, and I am the third child of the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm college graduate.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, but in the Philippines, I worked from March 2024 to March 2026. I do all around household course from cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and taking care of two children, 5 years old and 7 years old.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes,
How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, patient, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to go abroad?
to earn money for my family.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes,
Could you sing me a nursery song?
yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No,
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I took them calm boys.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you hired me, I promise I will finish my contract, and if you need me to extend, I do, and I will treat you like my own family. Thank you.